What we want to be really clear on is defining that line between the existing and the new. The more you mesh and blend, the more laborious it is ultimately. My rule of thumb for a renovation is it takes 3 times the effort, energy, and expense of a new build. When you consider, as a general rule of thumb, with a renovation, you've got to demolish part of that work. You've got to then make it good, and then you've got to build it new. Whereas a new home, you're just going in with one level of execution. You're just focusing on getting it new. You got a clean slate in front of you. You know what's in front of you, and you're executing on that. Much simpler. Therefore, renovations can be the most costly element. Again, like extension, as new and as clean as we can keep it, that's going to be reasonably economical. It's still not sort of equivalent to, well, it is equivalent to a new home, but there's still a lot more to work around. Obviously, we've got to tie it into the existing as well, and obviously we've got the existing structure to focus on. So furthermore to how the home functions and flows, there's so many homes that I see come across my desk that just don't work. I feel like post World War II, that just the function and flow of homes just didn't matter. I see so many homes that have a central kitchen, that's whether it's in an oversized like hallway, like it's like a thoroughfare, gets no light and no connection to outside. So many homes like that. Generally, these can be easy solutions to resolve. Again, if you have a double brick home and you want to reconfigure a lot of those walls, that can be a costlier exercise than if they were lightweight walls. Lightweight walls are a lot easier to maneuver than double brick. How attached are you to existing features of the home? Again, many homes we see that are considering renovations or extensions, a lot of beautiful art deco and cornices and brickwork. A lady contacted us just last week with the most gorgeous chimney. It's a sort of mid-century art deco influence, but just gorgeous. I'm not an advocate for keeping every chimney in Melbourne. I think we just keep too many. I think it's silly. I think someday we're going to have drones flying around everywhere and chimneys going to be a hazard. They're just dormant chimneys that no one uses. In 20, 30 years, no one will even know what they were for. But this chimney is absolutely gorgeous, and there's no way you would knock it down.